Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from DataTech Analytics. In this video, we are going to look at these two records from School A and School B and see the subject which is offering in School A but not offering in School B. Again, we want to look at the subjects, okay, which are offering in School A but are not offering in School B. Okay, if you look at School A now, you will see that there's mathematics here and there's also mathematics in School B. It means that both schools are offering mathematics. The same thing with chemistry. Both schools are offering chemistry. But if you look at civic education here, you can see that it's only School A which is offering civic education, and School B does not offer civic education. Okay, and civic education will be part of the our output. Let's put this formula and see how it is going to work. Now, the first thing I'm going to do here is just to convert all these records into column. I want to convert this so that everything will be in column. And to do that, you have to make use of to column function in Microsoft Excel. If you don't use 365, then you can have access to this function. Okay, now I will double tap this. What is my array? My array include all this record, everything. Then I put command. Okay, then he said that I should ignore what I want to ignore empty. You can see that in subject in School B I have empty cells or rows. Okay, and I want to ignore it. To ignore that, I have to put one there. Okay, and I close my parentheses. Let me press enter button. You will see that I have everything in this column. All the subjects are in column now. And if you can't it, let me verify it. Let me verify everything. You can see the number of record is actually 19. And if I also count it down like this, let me count this, then it is same 19 subjects together. And you can see that it involves the duplicate. You can see that this is English. Okay, I have English up here, and I also have English here. You can see that it duplicated it. And what I want to do now, as I said initially, is that I want to see the subject which are offering in School A but are not offering in School B. Okay, by implication I have to modify my formula. Okay, to modify this formula, I'm going to make use of a unique function. Okay, as a nested formula. Unique function. As we can see it, this is the my former result. I put command, then by column. Okay, is it by column I want it? I do it's optionally. Whenever you see the brace bracket like this, okay, it is optional. I can also put this. Then what I need here is exactly once. Any item which occur once, then it means that that item does not involve in both school. That is implication. Okay, then I put one here, and I close my parentheses and I press enter button. As you can see it, I have it. Okay, it means that physics is not offering in School B, civic education is not also offering in School B, literature is not also offering in School B, but they are offering it in School A. As you can see it, the same thing goes to further mathematics. You can see that I have further mathematics here, but it is not here, and this is dynamic. Okay, it is actually dynamic. Let me put further mathematics here. Okay, let me put further mathematics and see what will happen. You will see that this further mathematics will be removed now. It's mean that they are offering it in both schools. Okay, further math. As you can see it, press enter. You can see I don't have it again. It's mean that these are the only subject which they are offering in School A, but they are not offering it in School B. Okay, let's look at another method of achieving this. Okay, there's another method. If you don't want to use this method, there's another method, but I think this is the simplest method, but it depends on you. Let me use another method. I'm going to also combine two functions together. Okay, I will now say equal to, then I want to make use of filter function. Okay, what I want to filter, I want to filter school a this school a comma, then the another thing I want to do here is I want to count this guy based on this condition. Okay, I will now make use of count if, that is count if. Okay, count all this. Okay, command from this range. Okay, that is criteria. Okay, then I will now close my parentheses. Then I say if this is equal to, that is all this count if it is equal to 0. Okay, then you will see what will happen now. It means that if it is equal to 0, then bring anything that does not belong to both school for me. That is implication of this, and I press enter button. As you can see it, I have the same result: physics, civic education, literature, vocational study. If you look at this second method as well, physics, civic education, literature, and vocational study. Okay, let me do another interesting thing. Let's now assume that I want to know the subject which are offering in both school. Okay, as we can see it, I have mathematics here, I have biology. Okay, and I want to see the subjects which are offering in both school now. Okay, now to do that, I will just modify this formula. That is what I will do. I will just modify it. Okay, and to do that now, I will just check this. Instead of 0 here, then I will change this to be equal 1. Okay, and I will press enter button. That is only what we change. As you can see it, these are the subjects which are offering in both school, and you can look at it manually. Okay, this is mathematics and this is mathematics. As we can see it, this is English, this is English. Okay, as we can see it, this is biology, this is biology. As we can see it, this is chemistry and this is chemistry up here, and this is economics, this is economics up here. This is geography and this is geography here. This is history, this is history here. This is further math and this is further math here. You can see that I'm able to pull out the intersection. Okay, in theory of say, that's what we call intersection. That is what exists here and also exists here. As we can see that I have my result. You can also make use of this first one and the second method I use whenever you want to do the bank reconciliation, so that you can see the reconciliation items. Okay, this will give you the reconciliation item. Okay, and we just go and do other necessary things so that you can reconcile your bank statement as well as your cash book. There are many ways you can apply this in real life to solve a particular problem. I believe that you have gained a lot from this video. If you have done so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel and therefore to do so, that is only price that you can pay for this knowledge. And also press on the notification button so that immediately we release another video or content, then it will notify you and we able to upgrade your knowledge about Microsoft Excel and data analysis. Till next time we meet, I say Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.